First, I will rewrite our fifth root to power form. So this is equal integral of dx over x to power 1 over 5 minus 2. Next, I will substitute x by u to power 5. Why? Because I want to reduce our denominator in our exponent. So now we have to find the derivative of both sides with respect to x. So it will be 1 is equal 5u to power 4 du to dx. Now we multiply both sides by dx. So we will have dx is equal 5u to 4th power du. So our integral will be now dx is 5u to power 4 du over, we have x is u to power 5th and everything to power 1 over 5 minus 2. So this is equal 5 we can take before integral symbol, so we have 5 integral in numerator u to 4th power du, and in denominator 5 and 5 will reduce and we will have u minus 2. So now we will do long division because we have in numerator u to power 4 and in denominator we have u to first power. So we have u to power 4 divided by u minus 2. So it will be u to third power. Now we have to do multiplication, will be u to fourth power minus 2u to third power. Now we have to subtract. So u to fourth power will reduce and we will have negative, and negative give me positive 2u cube. 2u cube divided by u, so will be plus 2u square. So now we have to do multiplication, so it will be 2u cube and minus 4u square. Have to subtract, so 2u cube will reduce and we have 4u square divided by u, so it will be plus 4u. So now we have to again do multiplication. 4u times negative 2 will be negative 8u. Now we have to subtract. First expression will reduce and we have positive 8u divided by u is 8. 8 times u is 8u. 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. So this is 16. So now we can rewrite our integral and we will have 5 times integral of, have to copy what we got on the top, is u cube plus 2u square plus 4u plus 8, and we have plus 16 over u minus 2 du. So this is equal. So now we can rewrite our integral. This is equal 5 we have to copy and we have integral of u cube. So this is u to 4th power over 4 plus 2 we have to copy, and integral of u square is u to 3rd power over 3 plus 4 we have to rewrite and we have u square over 2 plus integral of 8 we have, so 8 u we will have, of course we have here plus integral of 16 over u minus 2. So 16 I have to copy and we have integral of 1 over u minus 2 du. So this is equal 5 times, and in brackets we will have u to 4th power over 4 plus, we can write 2/3 u cube plus 2 with 4 we can reduce, 2u square plus 8u plus 16, and integral of 1 over u minus 2 is natural logarithm of absolute value of u minus 2. Why? Because in numerator we have derivative of denominator plus constant c. We can write at the end. So this is equal. We have to come back to our substitution. X, u is equal. We have that x is u to 5th power. So u is equal 5th root of x. So we will have, we can do multiplication. We have times 1 over 4, so it will be 5 over 4, 5th root of x to 4th power, plus 5 times 2 over 3 will be 10 over 3, 5th root of x to 3rd power, plus 2 times 5 is 10, 5th root of x to 2nd power, plus 5 times 8 is 40, u is equal 5th root of x, and we have plus 5 times 16 is 80, natural logarithm of absolute value of 5th root of x minus 2, plus constant c. This is my solution.